Here's a quick and easy project for you guys. It seems like every time I clean the kiddie pool for the dogs, I get my shoes really wet and I make quite a mess. So let's get the hose reel out for the ear and straighten this out. It's time for the cleanup first. We're going to pull some weeds from between the flagstone and then replaced all that washed out sand from dumping the pool. And how am I fixing the problem? I'm going to be using a brass container or rain barrel spigot with a bulkhead fitting, and it's got a nice little ball valve in it. I picked a flat location as low as I could on the pool. That way when I open the ball valve, as much of the water as possible is going to drain out.
All right, so a nice easy project. We can now both drain and clean the pool without making a huge mess or continuing to crack it. A little irony here is that I think the pool costs less than the brass fitting there, but that's all right. When we go to get a new pool, I'll just swap the fitting to it and we'll be good to go.
So like I said, guys, quick and easy project to save your shoes, your back, the landscaping, what have you. If you haven't got one set up, definitely set up a little pool for your puppies to cool off, and I will see you in the next video.